Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today we're going to talk about something super exciting, how to install TeaTV on your FireStick. Now, for those of you who don't know, TeaTV is an awesome app that lets you stream movies and TV shows for free. And the best part, it's super easy to install on your FireStick. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your FireStick is connected to the internet. Once that's done, go ahead and navigate to the settings option on the home screen. Next, scroll over to My Fire TV and click on it. Now, select Developer Options. Here, you'll want to make sure that both ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources are turned on. Don't worry, this is completely safe and necessary for installing third-party apps like TeaTV. Alright, now it's time to install the Downloader app. This is a super handy tool that will allow us to easily download TeaTV onto our FireStick. Once you've found it, go ahead and download and install the app. With Downloader open, navigate to the URL bar and enter the following address, ttv.net. Then, click Go. This will take you to the TeaTV website. From here, simply click on the download button to get the TeaTV AppK file. Once the download is complete, click on Install to install TeaTV onto your FireStick. Conclusion. And that's it. TeaTV is now installed on your FireStick and ready to use. Now, just open up TeaTV from your apps list and start enjoying all of your favorite movies and TV shows for free. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tutorials like this one. Happy streaming.